welcome to today's video. Last class we learned about changing font style and font size, and now in today's class I want to change the text color. And okay, we also talked about making the text bold, like you can use a shortcut like Control B, which makes the text to be bold. Also, you can make the text to be italicized, like using Control plus I. So this is making the text italicized. So for example, let me change this to italics. You can use that one, or we can use our shortcut. You select all and then you Control I till change, and then you can undo it. So we also want to make the text underlined. We use Control plus U. This is making the text underline. So these are just shortcuts. For example, let's make this word um, learning basic computer skills. So we want to make this underline. You select all, you have to select the text and then Control plus U, underlined. Or let's undo it. You can still select it and then you change from there. So that is making the text underline. Okay, yeah, underline. Okay, so we can also, there's also a way of making the text, like if you want a text which is in lowercase to be uppercase, you can just change, like just basically formatting. For example, this learning basic computer skills, you can see the first word, which is learning, as a capital letter. So basically unaweza kuja hapo, you come there, then it's like sentence case, kuna lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word or toggle case. In lowercase, it's changing everything to lowercase, even the word learning, the first one, which was in uppercase. If you want to change to uppercase everything, you click uppercase. If you want to capitalize each word, yeah, it is changing. If you want to toggle case, but this one it's not mostly used. Yeah, so to undo it, it was sentence case. Sentence case, it means like the first letter in that sentence will be capitalized. Yeah, so that's how you change it. Okay, so this one is like you for clearing all formatting, mostly when you get, for example, a text in AI or maybe in ChatGPT, then of course it will come with some lines and all that. So for you to clear all formatting, you have to you select all the whole document and then you click the A. It clears all formatting. Okay, so let's change now text color. Text color. So for you to change the text color, let's have a text. Let me just pick this technology thing, paragraph, paste it, Control V, can use Control V. So you want to change the text color of this entire paragraph. You select all. You first select all. Then you come here, this A. Then you choose the color that you want your text to be. I can choose this blue, so it will change the entire text to blue. It will change the entire text to blue. Okay, if I wanted only technology to be red, you just select the technology, then come here and then you choose color red. So that's how you basically change the text color. Technology has become red. The rest of the paragraph is now in color blue. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, so now if I want for example, to have a text to have a line through the a text. For example, let's have the word technology. 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 You can remove this. You can change it to color black. I mean, so it's just the same. So if I want to strike through this, the word technology, just select it and then you come here to this one. It's called strike through, meaning cross something out by drawing a line through it. So we just strike through the word technology. That's how it will look. Yeah, so that's how we use this one, the strike through format. That's how we do it. Okay. Yeah, guys. So again, if I want to, this is basically the use of Microsoft Word. So now the whole of this my document is aligned to the left, because yeah, so this is where you change your alignment. So my text, the entire document is aligned to the left. If I want it, I can change and align it to the center. First, you have to select the entire document, and then you click this, so it will change. But you see, this is not mostly used. So the one mostly used is aligning to the left. Yeah. So if I also want to align to the right, that's how it looks. Not so good, but that is alignment to the left, to the right. That's alignment to the right. Then you can still justify. Justify is almost the same as aligning to the left, but that's how it looks. So that is still a difference. There's still a difference. Yeah, still a difference. So that is alignment. I've talked about alignment. Now, if I want to change the spacing, you can see like most of my words they look squeezed. You can come here. This is line and paragraph spacing. It's one. When you scroll down, it changes, so you can choose the paragraph spacing that you want. Mostly the one used is 1.5. The one used in universities and colleges, it's 1.5 or 1.15. Yeah, 1.5 or 1.15. So we have used 1.5. So basically that's how you do it. That's how you change the text to italic, you underline, you strike through, you change the text color, you clear all formatting, you change the alignment to the left, to the right, to the center, or to justify, and also changing the spacing of the paragraphs. So, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, kindly drop it down on the comment section and I'll get back to you.